If your car running rich, smelling of fuel, blowing back smoke, or struggling to idle, you might be tempted to just grab your tools and start adjusting. But stop. If your carburetor is actually worn out, no amount of adjustment will fix the problem. Today I'm going to show you how to diagnose the real cause of a rich running Stromberg and how to fix it the right way. Patrick's Garage. The biggest reason these carburetors run rich is not the adjustment, it's the physical wear. Since the 1970s, many of these units have suffered from fast wear. The measuring needle is often biased by a spring, which pushes it constantly against the inside wall of the main jet. Over time, this causes two major issues. The needle wears down. The measuring needle loses its precise taper. The jet becomes oval because of that constant side pressure. The main jet wears into an inside oval shape instead of a perfect circle. If your jet is oval inside, excessive fuel will leak uncontrolled, no matter how you adjust it. You must check these parts first. If they are worn, you cannot achieve a proper tune. Only after you're sure these components are in good condition should you attempt to adjust the carburetor. Once you have confirmed that your needle and jet are perfectly round and not worn, you can proceed to lean out the mixture if it is running too rich. Remember the direction trap we discussed last video. If you have a top adjusting carburetor, use your tool to turn the adjustment counterclockwise. This lowers the needle deeper into the jet, which restricts the fuel flow and makes the mixture leaner. If you have a bottom adjusting carburetor, use your tool, like a coin, to turn the bottom screw clockwise. This pushes the jet upward toward the needle, narrowing the gap and making the mixture leaner. Before you finish, remember, check for oval jets. If it isn't round, you need to replace it. Inspect the needle. If it is scored, worn, too thin, replace it. Small movements always adjust in tiny increments and wait for the engine to stabilize. If your mechanical foundations are solid and your parts are not worn, you will be able to get that engine running perfectly. And drop a comment below. Have you ever found an oval-shaped jet in your Stromberg? Let me know how you handled the repair. I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.